तुम किसके साथ आओगे? Who will you come with? Who will you come with? तुमने यह किससे सीखा? From whom did you learn this? From whom did you learn this? क्या वह कल आएगा? Will he come tomorrow? Will he come tomorrow? यह किसने भेजा है? Who sent this? Who sent this? तुम अब क्या करोगे? What will you do now? What will you do now? तुम किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? Whom were you waiting for? Whom were you waiting for? यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? क्या यह तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? तुमने इसे क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you leave it? Why did you leave it? तुम कब तक रहोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? तुम किसे पसंद करते हो? Whom do you like? Whom do you like? क्या तुम मुझे माफ़ करोगे? Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? तुम कब तक आओगे? When will you arrive? When will you arrive? तुमने यह कब लिया? When did you take this? When did you take this? यह तुम्हारे लिए क्यों है? Why is this for you? Why is this for you? तुमने कब बात की? When did you talk? When did you talk? तुम अब कैसे हो? How are you now? How are you now? तुम क्या पूछना चाहते हो? What do you want to ask? What do you want to ask? तुम्हें किससे मदद चाहिए? Whom do you need help from? Whom do you need help from? यह इतना महंगा क्यों है? Why is this so expensive? Why is this so expensive? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? तुमने यह किससे लिया? From whom did you take this? From whom did you take this? क्या तुम उसे बुलाओगे? Will you call him? Will you call him? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? यह कब बनाया गया था? When was this made? When was this made? तुम किससे मिलने जा रहे थे? Whom were you going to meet? Whom were you going to meet? क्या वह भी आ रहा है? Is he also coming? Is he also coming? तुम कब सोने जाओगे? When will you go to sleep? When will you go to sleep? यह कहाँ से आया है? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? तुमने यह क्यों रखा? Why did you keep this? Why did you keep this? क्या तुम इसे समझते हो? Do you understand this? Do you understand this? तुम अब क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking now? What are you thinking now? यह तुम्हारे लिए क्यों है? Why is this for you? Why is this for you? तुम कब से यहाँ हो? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? यह किसने कहा था? Who said this? Who said this? तुमने यह कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy this from? Where did you buy this from? तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? Whom were you talking to? Whom were you talking to? क्या यह तुम्हारा फ़ोन है? Is this your phone? Is this your phone? तुम अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? तुमने उससे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call her? Why did you call her? तुम किससे डरते हो? Whom are you afraid of? Whom are you afraid of? क्या हम अब जा सकते हैं? Can we leave now? Can we leave now? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? तुम यह कैसे करोगे? How will you do this? How will you do this? क्या वह अभी आ रहा है? He is coming now. He is coming now. यह इतना मुश्किल क्यों है? Why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं. You are taking me wrong. You are taking me wrong. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. जबान संभाल के. Mind your language. Mind your language. खुश रहो. Be happy. Be happy. अभी तक नहीं. Not yet. Not yet. अंदाजा लगाओ. Guess what? Guess what? मुझे समझाओ. Explain me. Explain me. क्या हुआ? What's wrong? What's wrong? वो जानता है उसे. He knows him. He knows him. रट्टा मत मारो. Don't mug up. Don't mug up. दोषी कौन है? Who is guilty? Who is guilty? तुम वहीं रहना. You stay there. You stay there. चिंता मत करो. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Don't worry. It's not a big deal. Don't worry. It's not a big deal. इसीलिए तो मैंने उसे पीटा. That's why I beat him. That's why I beat him. इसीलिए तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. That's why I'm going. That's why I'm going. मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I will try. I will try. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying. I'm trying. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? इसीलिए तो मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ. That's why I am asking you. That's why I am asking you. वह नहा रहा है. He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. I am going to market. I am going to market. अब नहीं तो कब? If not now then when? If not now then when? तुम्हारे कहने का मतलब क्या था? What did you mean to say? What did you mean to say? तुम बहुत बदल गई हो. You be changed a lot. You be changed a lot. कहना आसान है, करना नहीं. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. कोई नाराजगी नहीं है. No hard feelings. No hard feelings. मैं चलती हूँ. I'm off. I'm off. मुझे मस्का लगाना बंद करो. Stop buttering me up. Stop buttering me up. क्या तुम दुबई जाने के सपने देख रहे हो? Are you dreaming of going to Dubai? Are you dreaming of going to Dubai? मैं हमेशा अमीर बनने के सपने देखता हूँ. I always dream of becoming rich. I always dream of becoming rich. गलती से भी मेरा फ़ोन मत चलाना. Don't use my phone even by mistake. Don't use my phone even by mistake. गलती से भी मेरे कपड़े मत पहनना. Don't wear my clothes even by mistake. Don't wear my clothes even by mistake. किताबें पढ़ने की आदत डाल लो. Get into the habit of reading books. Get into the habit of reading books. मैं उसे बुलाना भूल गया. I forget to call him. I forget to call him. एक माह में कितने सप्ताह होते हैं? How many weeks are there in a month? How many weeks are there in a month? हम सबको अंग्रेजी भाषा सीखनी चाहिए. We all must learn English language. We all must learn English language. उसकी प्रतिभा काबिले तारीफ है. His talent is praiseworthy. His talent is praiseworthy. रात हो गई है. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? It's night. What are you doing here? It's night. What are you doing here? 8 बज गए हैं. स्कूल नहीं जाना क्या? It's 8 o'clock. Don't you want to go to school? It's 8 o'clock. Don't you want to go to school? अंधेरा हो रहा है. तुम अभी तक नहीं आए हो. It's getting dark. You haven't come home yet. It's getting dark. You haven't come home yet. मोबाइल चलाते हुए समय का पता ही नहीं चलता है. Time flies while using mobile. Time flies while using mobile. थोड़ी सी तो शर्म करो. Feel shy at least a little bit. Feel shy at least a little bit. बिस्तर बिछा दो. Make the bed please. Make the bed please. सामान खोल दो. Unpack the luggage. Unpack the luggage. सुई में धागा डाल दो. Thread the needle. Thread the needle. जाओ मौज करो. Have fun. Have fun. ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? भरोसा रखो, हैव फेथ, हैव फेथ। समझने की कोशिश करो, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। वो कहते हैं ना कि समय हर घाव भर देता है। They said that time heals all wounds. They said that time heals all wounds. वह अपने बाल लंबे रखती है। She wears her hair long. She wears her hair long. वह कभी भी मेकअप नहीं करती। She never wears makeup. She never wears makeup. क्या मैंने गलत समय पर कॉल कर दिया है? Have I called at a bad time? Have I called at a bad time? वे फिर से शुरू हो गए। They are at it again. They are at it again. मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं भूलूंगा। I will never forget you. I will never forget you. क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकती हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?